Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Wagwan, we don't know, guys. What's popping? Welcome back to Palizico Kitchen down a yard, yeah, man. Here what happen now, guys. I'm about to do some gungo peas soup. So I go ahead and started to wash my gungo. I put 2 spoons of salt in this water here, 2 teaspoons of salt. And as I always telling you that when you're washing your gungo, you will see the things them swim up on top, right? So the things them that are not good, like the bad gungo and anything else, will come up on top once you put it in the water and you put some salt in it. So I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and I'm gonna wash my gungo, get my gungo deal with. I have my pigtail over there on the stove boiling. Let me give you a peek at that. So that's the pigtail boiling off. So yes, guys, that we're gonna deal with today on the menu, some gungo peas soup. So stay with me. Gungo finish wash. Pigtail over here, boil off. Then wash with some cold water and drain off. And our beef is right here. Cut up in chunky size. You know, I don't want to cut it up small because, you know, it shrink. When you cook it, it shrinks. So you have to cut it up in a more chunkier size. Or even bigger than chunkier size. It's left to how you want to cut up your beef. So I go ahead and I wash my meat with vinegar as usual. You don't have vinegar, you use lime or lemon. You know, to cut rawness and to cut away slime, anything at all that is on the meat, right? So that's what you use, your vinegar or your lime or your lemon or whatever it is that you have in your cabinet there, in your little kitchen to use. You know, you go ahead and you use that up. So I'm gonna go ahead now and set this on in my pot. Yup. So guys, if you are using the dry gungo, you go ahead and soak your gungo, right? I am using the green gungo, so no need for me to soak it. This is going to cook within 15 to 20 minutes time. This gungo here cook. So I'm not gonna just put the gungo alone in my pot. I'm gonna put the gungo and the meat with it. I'm not gonna wait for it to cook because, as I said, it takes 20 to 15 minutes to cook. And I have my ground provision them over here. Let me give you a peek of them. That's the ground provision that I am using. I'm using a cho-cho, a large cho-cho. You see how it is big? Oh my lord. And I'm using also a large Irish, a large coco, and a large sweet potato. And you know, I have the good old Jamaican yellow yam. A matter of fact, all of these ground provision is Jamaican food. So I don't want too much food in my soup, guys. Too much food take away the soup. You know, I'm gonna go ahead now and put my gungo on with my meat. So anything else that I'm using, I'm gonna show it to you. So gungo peas soup, here I come. I am using 2 stalk of scallion, fresh springtime, a large onion, 5 cloves of garlic. I'm using some pimento as well. And you know me can't leave out scotch bonnet pepper. Right? Look at this big boys, guys. Look on the big boy. You see him big? Look at that. Oh my god. This is a huge scotch bonnet pepper. I love it. Alright now, guys. So this is going to go into the pot later on. I am going to put in the onion, the garlic, and the stalk of the scallion, and some pimento just to release some flavor. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead now and put those in the pot. So I'm putting in my scallion, onion, and garlic just to release some flavor in the pot there, and my pimento. And I'm gonna cover back this and let it take its time and go and cook. I'm gonna go ahead and put my corn in the pot now. I'm using 2 corn. Guys, from the other day we've been getting some cold breeze. Yes, guys, down here been windy, very windy. Even the dogs them cold. So just imagine that. I can't imagine in your neck of the woods how it is cold and snow been falling. Wow. Guys, some real wind. When I tell you about wind, oh my god, the breeze blow. It's not normal. So you see this Gungo Peas Soup is the right thing for drink to warm up your body in this time here, this type of weather here. Yeah man, the place been so cold, windy, bad. I'm about to put some food in my pot. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add this to my pot. So this is my yam, coco, and Irish potato. I am not putting my sweet potato as yet and my cho-cho. I don't like when my sweet potato cook out too much. And you don't know, say sweet potato don't take long to cook, you know. So I don't want it to mash out in the soup, so I'm not gonna add it as yet. As for the cho-cho, I don't want that in as yet either. I don't want it too soft. I don't want it too mushy. So I'm gonna add these to my pot now. All right. Adding the yam, Irish, and cocoa to my soup pot. Guys, as I tell you, some breeze a blow, some really cold breeze. The place is windy. Down my yard here, it's very windy. I'm gonna put in my sweet potato and my cho-cho. Yup, I'm just gonna put them in now. So when you are peeling your ground provision, guys, remember to put some oil on your hand. Some coconut oil. Put a little in the palm of your hand, like a tablespoonful of oil in your hand, and rub it together. Or a teaspoonful, and you rub both hands together so that the stain don't come off on your hand, especially the yam. When you're doing the yam, sweet potato, and all those other ground provision food that you know contain stain, right? So I'm gonna go ahead now and put these in my pots. So guys, gungo is flat. It is not like red peas. Red peas give the soup body. Gungo is, on the flat side. So you have to jazz it up and thing for it to get that. Look at that. But my cocoa that I use, look at that. My cocoa is what do that. My cocoa and my Irish potato. So I'm gonna put some spinners in my pot as well. So I'm putting in some spinners in my pot. So guys, I'm about to put the rest of my seasoning in my pot. As you can see, my thyme and bad boy here, as I was telling you about this bad boy. See this bad boy big? Alright, so we're going over to the pot now. So that's my scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and scallion. I'm gonna go ahead now and add some coconut milk to my pot. right? Just for flavor. This is looking so lovely. So I'm gonna leave this for this flavor to lock in. As I said, guys, remember, look at that. Look at that. As I said, guys, gungo peas is not the same like the red peas. You know, when you do use the red peas and do your red pea soup, oh, it's nice and thick. So you have to jazz up your gungo. Jazz up your gungo pea soup in order for it to have that niceness. Look at that. Alright, I think I'm gonna put just a bit of water on this. So next you will see this. Look. So I'm putting some cock soup. I'm adding the cock soup to my gungo pea soup. That's for flavor again. Oh my god, this flavor that the coconut milk is giving off here. Guys, you want to smell this, trust me. Give them a close-up view of the pot there. Whoa, look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna cover my pot now and leave this to the season to lock in for 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Our gungo peas soup has landed. Yes, guys, look at it. Lovely. Boy, the coconut milk is giving this a nice flavor and a nice smell. Look at that. Wow. So I add some parsley and a huge carrot, a big carrot, just one, dice up. Look at the richness, man. Whoa. So I'm gonna plate this now, guys, for you all to see. So this is my finished product, my gungo soup. Looking lovely and nice. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, because guess what, guys, you don't want to miss nothing that is going on down a yard in a family kitchen. Me I tell you, I'm gonna stir this up now and give you a view of what is inside of this plate here. Look at that. Gungo peas soup. Let me stir this up and give you a view of what is inside the plate. Zoom in and let them see what is going on here. Look at that. Look at this lovely piece of pigtail. Oh. Sweet potato. Yellow and nice. You know this eat nice. This dry. Cho-cho. Don't cook out too much. You know that don't cook out too much, so you know that nice and crunchy. Zoom in and let them see more what is going on with this gungo pea soup here. So guys, if you haven't tried this, you should go ahead and try it. Very nice. Very nice. So that's what's going on in this plate here. And big boy, the big boy here, flavor up the pot.